Fellas, I'm Kurohimura, I'm Grin, I'm Omi. You know me by different things depending on how long you've known me. I'm a moderator on Felisfire, and I've noticed most people have a bit of difficulty when they're doing their HTML, and it's kind of hard to translate it across when you're trying to explain it on the forums, because you've got to put the asterisks in to make the code show, and then people try it with the asterisks, and it gets a bit confusing for them. So I figured I'd make a quick tutorial on HTML for people, just to clear things up. I really hope that that's showing. Yes, that is showing. Okay, cool. Okay, so most people have a fair bit of difficulty with just normally linking things. A lot of people have difficulty actually getting URLs for images so that they can show them on the forums, so I'll show a little bit of everything. So if I wanted to link to this thread here, I just right-click, copy link address, and paste it in there. So basically this here, a href, and then the equals sign, that denotes that you're creating a hyperlink, and that's what the things that you click on like this are. It's basically telling your browser to turn anything between that and its closing tag, which looks like that, into a hyperlink. That includes images, by the way. So if I just type in this is a link, and then we hit preview. Okay, testing. Okay. As you can see, that's a link to the thread that we before is guide. So if we go back, how you link images, it's basically the same thing, except images don't have the closing tag. You just copy the image URL there, and then you put image src equals, and your links always need to be between talking marks, otherwise the browser won't recognize them. So that'll be an image right there. We'll hit preview. See? That's different fairly. Whatever. Sorry, I'm just feeling... I've been a bit sick. And you can even... If we just copy this here, just to speed things up a bit, turn images into links yourself. Now, yeah, see how the hyperlink, a little bit of hyperlink HTML there is around the image, turns it into a hyperlink as well, so you can click on that to get to the thread from earlier. It's super simple. Other things you might want to know are how to make bold text, italic text, etc. That is bold, text goes here, and then you close it, and not bold. Italics is the same, it's just like that. Underline is that. And strike is that. It's important to note you can use all of these at the same time if you are that way inclined, but they must be nested correctly. And what nesting means is that if you open the italic tag first, and then you open a bold one, and you put text in there, the next closing tag has to be the bold tag, so it's nested in there correctly, like that. If you were to put the italic tag and then the bold tag, it might give you an error. It's just clean. It just keeps things nice and clean. See how the closing tags always have those slashes? And so we've got our italics text, our bold text, underlined, strikeout, and then our bold italics text. Tables are really, really difficult. I hate working with them. They're a right pain in the ass, but they can be really easy if you are willing to cheat a little. So say we wanted to, I don't know, we'll just put a list. So staff members, rank. So if I'm going to list my mod siblings and myself plus a couple admins. So me, I'm a mod. Sylvanus, mod, and Luna is a mod. Sin is an admin, and you can do this in regular Excel as well, I believe. I tend to use Sheets like Google Sheets just because it's more accessible as far as doing things on the net goes. And we'll put in Pick, who is also an admin, and Lyra, who is head admin. Now, it's not much to look at. It isn't. But you can add in HTML and stuff as well. So if I want this to be a heading, I'll put heading 2 there. And I'll put heading 2 for that as well. And because I'm making the video, that makes me special, so I'm going to put my name in italics. There we go. Isn't that nice? Alright, and just for the sake of showing, come on, I'm going to grab Midna's image, and we're going to put her in here, down the bottom. And we're going to have her link to the edit coupon thread. So you can just put that there. Alright, and to edit coupons. Probably should do that the other way around, but it'll do. Alright. Now, what makes tables so easy is that there. It's a little thing called Tableizer. It will automatically convert Excel formatted documents into tables. You want no CSS styles. It just Felisfire doesn't accept CSS styles, and it makes it really hard to clean up afterwards, so we don't want them in there. Tableize it. Oh look, we've got a table automatically generated for us. That's your code in there that you want. Now, if I just open up Notepad, that is going to have, okay, yeah. So as you can see, we've got that there. Now, it will generate it with table heads, which you don't want. It's this here where it says TH. You just want to change that to TD. I tend to use Notepad++ to do it because I can do it automatically. It makes it super easy. And to do that, I just go find, replace, and I do look for TH and then a bracket. That stops it from going for anything that might have a TH in it, like the, blah, 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 because that little bracket's there. And then I replace it with TD, replace all. If you happen to be posting this on the forums, you need to have it all on one line like that. That is because it registers the space, the new lines as like new lines on the forums. Like on your profile it won't be an issue, but on the forums you'll get a lot of white space when you do that. So I'll compare them. So this is when it's all on one line. Very nice, it's very clean. That links to where we wanted it to. Yeah, it worked well. But if it's not all on one line, so we'll just, and then it's gonna leave empty space, and it looks terrible, and it's very hard to, oh, it went, I'll just post it. I'm gonna make a thread anyway, so I'll just post it. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna pretend that... Okay. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. That's really annoying. It's really strange. Maybe I pasted the original text? Hang on. Honestly, this... Okay, well, apparently it's not doing it. It used to. Maybe that's been fixed by Lyra. But if you do get a lot of white space, that's what your problem is. That pretty much wraps up what I needed to show. So I think I'm gonna end this. If you have any questions about it, just send me a PM on Felisfire. I'm happy to answer. Bye-bye.